Hi everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you survived the weekend because I did not. I'm feeling a little out of sorts for this Monday. It was Pride Fest here in Chicago, and Saturday was beautiful. It was packed for Pride Fest. Did a little walkthrough, and that was about it. A lot of the music acts, I don't know if I'm just getting older, I didn't know anybody that was on stage. I mean, other than a few local things and bands and the choir group and everything, the Chicago Men's Choir, but that's about it. I didn't know much. And then one thing I did notice is the corporate and company sponsorship is just not around like it used to. And so there were some empty spaces, empty spots, and I know that's happening all across America. I don't know about other countries, but here, I just know it's a change, and it's sad. It makes me sad. I know there's some silent partnerships with companies and corporations that will support. They just don't want their name out there. And I've gotten that through some of my lecture programs as well. So, and a lot of changes to that. My numbers are down immensely for this June for Pride Month. A lot of people go, how is your lecture programs going? It's down. It's down a lot. So that's where I'm at. But yeah, so, and then Sunday, it rained here all day. I did go for brunch and hung out with friends later, but it was raining all afternoon. I took a little peek down where Pride Fest was at, and there was people mulling around, but I don't do that, all the rain and so anyway, I hope it was successful. Looked like it was. If you went, hope you had a good time. This coming Sunday is the 55th annual Chicago Gay Pride Parade, and it's coming up. It's 2 miles long, starts at 11 a.m., goes till about 2, starts in our Uptown District and comes right by me, 1 block through the East Lakeview neighborhood. So if you're out and about, if you're in the Chicago area or visiting, be careful, be safe, have a great time, celebrate all marginalized communities, our LGBTQ+ community, and make it a successful event. It looks like it's going to be about 80 degrees and sunny on Sunday of next week. So I did a little reel, Pride Fest. Again, like last year, Miss Fuzi is going to be at the very beginning of this. Character actor here in Chicago. I know her very well over the years, but I just asked her if she'd do a little intro coming up. So you're going to see some pictures from Pride Fest, some video, things like that. So have a great day ahead. Subscribe, like, share, give me a comment, say hello. I love that. Have a good week. I will see you on Thursday. And hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better by then. Bad Greg. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Oh, happy Pride Fest, pineapples.